Hi there, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We got a great one for you today. Well, in our last video, we created this sort of scroll sections. It's like a one-page scrolling site. We've got the top section that's home, about, services, portfolio, gallery, and contact at the bottom there, which is great and very easy to do. But what if you wanted to have it scroll to a specific section, we'll say our portfolio section here, from a different page or a different website or somewhere else? You want it to scroll exactly to this section when they click on it. Well, I've done that for us here today. It's very easy to do. If I actually click on my link, it's got a different home page here. I created a link for that section over here, S4. If I click on it, it's going to take us to that page. Then it's going to roll down to that section for us. It doesn't matter where we are on the web, as long as you put in the correct URL, that's going to happen for us. I'll show you that once again. We're on a different page here, and I want to scroll specifically to that portfolio section. And hit my link, and there we have it. So let's show you how this is done. Now, the first thing you're going to want to know is how to set up a CSS ID. Now, I've got this page open. Okay, each of our sections here, we added an attribute. If I click on this section here, we go to advanced, we added an attribute. We added an ID, CSS ID. This is section 2. Our next section is section 3, etc. And that's how we got it to scroll from our menu there. So let's perhaps do a different section now. Well, in fact, we'll do this one that we're on here. Let's just change out what it says. And let's just call it scroll to page, or whatever you want to call yours, just so we can see that we're scrolling to the right one. Now we need to make sure this section's got a particular attribute. If I click on that section, it's got an attribute of section 2. That's the CSS ID, section 2. So all we need to do to scroll to this particular section from any other page on this site or any other URL on the web is add that ID, section 2, to the complete URL. So if we take this page here, and you want to make sure it's published, I'm going to grab the URL, which is the bit before the preview there, Control-C to copy. Now to add this to a menu or a button anywhere else on the site, let's go to the dashboard. I'll add it to the menu down here, Appearance, Menus. And that S4, let's change it. I'll just call it to scroll. And up here, we need to put that whole URL of that whole page there. Now, if we're using the same site, we can cut off that first bit, but it's fine to leave it there too. Then we need to put a // and the CSS ID, which was section 2. Now, it's a CSS ID, so we have to put a hashtag there. And then the CSS ID, section 2, no gap there. And this should take us straight to that particular page. So let's save that. Now that it's been updated, if I go back to this page here, I take us out of this particular one-page scrolling site, my home page. It's got a link to somewhere else. As you can see, it's not the same page here. And I've got a new link up the top that I've spelt wrong there, skull instead of scroll. But it should take us to that second white section with the blue hero module in it. And there we have it. Absolutely perfect. And if you wanted to do it from a button, it's very easy too. I'll just demonstrate it by doing this page. Let's perhaps go from this section up to that last section. I'm sure you're ahead of me. If we go into this section down here, I know we're on the same page for this particular case, but you could do this on any page or any URL. We'll go into our little hero section there for the link. And the content, you'll always find link. Button 1 link. I put in that long URL. And then at the end, just add the ID, section 2. As we're on the same page, we could just put section 2 in, but I'm pretending we're on a different page, so we've got the full URL there. If we save the changes now, go back over here and do a quick refresh. That's where we were. We just added it to this. We're pretending we're on a different page. Now when I click on here, just going to roll me straight back to there. So you can get to any section by putting the correct URL in there. Let's just change that from skull to scroll. There we go. When I talk and type, that sort of thing happens. That's a bit better. So as you see, external page, we can get to it this way. Takes us to the top of the page, then scrolls down. Or we can add it to a button or whatever you want to add yours to by doing this. Really easy to do, really nice feature, especially if you've got a one-page site and you have to add an addendum or something and you need them to get back to a particular section or something like that. That is the way to do it. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make a little demo video just like this one. So once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.